Welcome guys to another episode of bedwars. Today we'll be playing 4v4s, which is different than my usual 4v4v4v4. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. You might also be able to hear the rain outside, which could also be nice, or you might not, depending on how good my mic is, which is very good. So, you know, let's just pray. I'm hoping I've got some good players today, so I can record this extraordinarily quickly, and then leave, and then go to sleep. Look at this bridging. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Ah, got us. Easy. Alright, let's go. No one seems to have bridged to middle yet, which is always a good sign. I don't know if I should go get diamonds yet. Maybe. Help the team. Be a team player for once. That could be the plan. Let's go get some diamonds, shall we? Yes. I'm helping the team. And I'm gonna now die. Or not. Or not. Or not. Yes, I am. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just too good. Go back to your base. Leave my home. I should probably just go back. I can't believe. No. What do you mean? I cannot place blocks here. I need to get home. I'm actually pretty sure the rain is coming into my room now, which is it's not very good. This is not good at all. It's flooding. Oh my goodness. Hey, hello. Leave my home. Hello, sir. Leave my home. Sir, leave my home. Ow. Sir, leave my home. I told you to leave my home. Come on. Can't you follow basic instructions? We're gonna go home and then get maybe like reinforced armor. I feel like that could be a play. We're gonna. Ooh, what's all this? Oh my god! Another one of our teammates had just left. This is not good. It's gonna be ended up me just versus the entire world. It's fine. I like my odds. I like my odds. Can I get into your tip? Can I get a tip now? We can get a TNT in one more go. Yes, now we can get a TNT. TNT. Now we're gonna get a couple of these, and like one of these, and one of these, and one of these, and then get a couple of these. Hello. Bye bye. Maybe that wasn't the best of ideas. I'd still like my odds, I'm not gonna lie. Sir, leave my home. So what are you doing? Get into the void. There we go. I feel like if we play the long game, I feel like we could just win. Nope. My teammate has just fell straight into the void, but that's fine. That's expected. Place 2D. Get away. Wait. No! No! So close. They're strap controlling mid right now. Hello. Goodbye. Okay, here we go. Round 25. First, trying this, as always, because I'm so good at the game. Here we go. Easy! I'm literally the best. Come here. Come back. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Did you guys see the absolute athleticism? Oh my goodness, and they're going to take our bed. No, they're not. Because I'm going to spawn. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so good at this game. Need my name etched in a stone tablet like Ozymandias. Come on. Okay, yes. Yes, we are so good at this game. I mean, me, I guess, because my teammate hasn't really done a lot. Hello. No. Time for death. Time for death. Time for death. No. What are you doing? Don't you dare. Don't do it. You got another one? Don't do it. Come on, don't do it. No, my teammate. Oh, it looks like you've ran out. That's so sad. One more game, and then that's it. We're done. All done. And then we're gonna go to sleep. I've just noticed that there is a ginormous moth in my room, so I'm just hoping and praying it doesn't land on me. I think it's due to me opening my window, and I am not scared at all. Everything's fine. Look at this bridging. Oh my goodness. Does your favourite bedwars play a bridge like this? I bet not. What are these people doing? I've got so much iron. Yes. Okay, we're going for it. We're going for an easy win. Yes. Easy win is going to be acquired. Because I've got my teammates are with me. Oh my god, I think the moth just landed on me. It didn't. It was just my hair. At least I think so. What are you doing? No. No. Yes. Okay, here we go. We're gonna use maximum efficiency. No. Don't throw it. No, don't throw it. Oh my god, he missed. Unbelievable. You almost did it. No! And then I can stab them and talk about that, but nothing's really happening. This is not good. The viewer attention is just declining rapidly. No, don't fire that. Okay, we're gonna go get I guess diamonds would probably be a nice thing to do. I don't actually know what they're doing, because they're at their base, but they're actually not like making their bed defense any better. So I don't know the real reason they're at their base. There's no reason for it. They haven't left their base. What's happening? Okay, got a lot of diamonds here. So we're gonna go back to base and get the diamond dropper. You know which one I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, this guy on. No. I need to get back to base with those diamonds. What is this bed? What has happened? No. Yes. Our teammates are doing something truly revolutionary, this. Okay, we're gonna go grab like a bunch of stuff and then raid their base. When I have enough armor, that is. So we're gonna do a jump cut, ready? Watch my expert level editings of just like snipping, and then that's it. That's all I do. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, here we go. Bear witness to a master of Bed Wars. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Here we go. Bam 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 bam. Oh my god, you've never seen anything like this before. Using a singular TNT. Get off. Bye bye. Bye bye. bye bye. Just exploded that man. Okay, here we go. We're gonna eat this apple, and then we're gonna wait. Have they got? Can't remember if they've got. No, they haven't got it. We could be in here. Yes, easy. I'm only allowed to blow up your base. I love how my team just instantly tries to like eat all these finals. It's crazy. Oh my god, they're all just like they're just waiting at what a no. They're just waiting. No, they're gonna wait. They're gonna run the clock. I need to kill them all. Maybe my teammate will kill at least one of them. I wanna go to bed. They're gonna no. They're running the clock. I'm gonna be 80 by the time this game ends. No. Oh my goodness. This is truly the worst thing that possibly can happen to me. They're just gonna wait at their base for nothing to happen. No! All beds. No, one of our players just disconnected. No. All is lost. Oh my god, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Just generally just get out of my way. I need to get diamond armor so I can murder these people. Come on. I gotta go. Diamond armor. There we go. And then I'll get like a shield. Get like a sharpness. Yes. And then like a bunch of these. And then like a bunch of these. Yeah. Oh my god, this guy's stupid. No. Oh my god, that was close. Yes, come out of your base. I want to kill you. They're just waiting there. Is there a way that I can get in? Like through the back? Aha! There is. Oh my god, I think they heard me. Okay, screw it. Hello. 1 down. 2 down. Easy. My teammate is absolutely. Well, as always guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye. And also subscribe please. I depend on it, please. Okay, bye.